imwe handu hakuri hari ekejoeri ari hari we akiwasa mido akimuthinikira ngongo Borwithiari oha tuka githaka-ini giki hara ngure boithi kiria nduthi ya hatete ri hegathaka kanyita ru muno murithia rokire gambite
ai mwega wimbo tangiri waita mwamukiri magongo na mandwairo
no go mamanya
kanyura mashisha
sometimes
you are very serious
sometimes
yes
we serious kwa mundu agia na githungu
yes
so the muthikiriria
the listener
can you know
yes
that we are live on YouTube
yes
na live on Facebook. Yes.
How was your night?
It was very congratulated. Why? I slept Hear myself. Like
5 in the morning.
Here.
Yes.
That's here. And then hearing myself and then up
clothes.
Up. Clothes. Washing body was done last week. So no problem.
Very clean. Yes.
Very clean.
Only touch the face and eyes.
Touch the face.
Yes.
Eyes.
Step out.
Step out.
Yes.
Step out. Time. Not arriving. Not arriving.
Yes.
The road.
Yes.
Look for Jensina. Cannot get. Look for Pickup Yahiga. Cannot get. Looking the Rami.
Tarmac. Towards the tarmac road. Yes.
This side. Home of Gade.
Yes.
Now the problem. People should know.
Yes.
And think twice. Because
Kathuri Karogi.
People should know how to think it twice. Some of your things of home.
Yes. Yes. Not talk.
No, not talk. And not display.
Yeah.
Why? I'm saying this. And there.
Yes.
And in the morning.
Yes.
Instead of putting the merengeti kwa kande kana kule thudari githungu ne giathire ketwaria
no blankets
instead of hanging
yes
hanging behind
waiting baby. There is a baby there.
Never the smallest baby is having 2 baby. so
blankets outside. You saw with your eyes.
Saw with my eyes. Saw 2 blankets and 1 mattress hanging
on the fence.
And the fence,
yes,
which is on the road.
Oh my goodness.
And there's no baby.
Yes.
And the wife disappeared. What does it conclude?
Yes.
It concludes
using your brains. Yes.
Use your brain. Even you.
Yes.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Use your brain. And see this bracket and the bed city.
Yes.
Have a map of Somali. Which now means Gaze himself and they connect with the machine.
Yes.
And the bracket himself. He is Ayuraino.
Yes. He is
Ayuraino. Tiga kuhumithia na githungu reke twarie kirio.
Nitwathie wega. You didn't see the Kamodo for Gatheti? Gatheti.
Nowhere. But asked.
You had what? Yes.
The bread my jaguar ate yesterday. Magikagaira.
Oh, he is sick.
So the stomach. So I can't go home to see him.
You can't.
And take the gazette.
But now, you say hi to the listener and return thanks. Because listener move from all the stations.
Now, listener.
Yes.
If
I don't return thanks.
This one.
Yes.
And me.
Yes.
Don't return thanks to you.
Yes.
It means. Toboita what?
The brain.
It means our brains has the starting of a cigarette. Tudu. Can I get about tudu? We have to do
in the head.
In the head.
Because this is a move. Yes.
Started. Somire FM. Refused. Started. Next. Somire FM. Refused. Started.
TV.
So.
Kameme TV.
And started with the Embo.
Yes.
FM. Refused. Go to Kameme TV.
Yes.
See Jogu. Why Joroge? Run away. Come to Gatonye.
Adokeria Jogu hera. Come to Gatonye.
Come to Gatonye.
Stay there.
Stay there.
Yes.
Come to
look at SMS. So many. Stayed here.
Yes. Come to you. And me.
Yes.
And the listener here. Gatonye is there. Where come? Here. Kehajo is here.
Yes.
And Kiruba is here.
Yes.
Where come? And the Vino here.
Yes.
Gathaya is here. And the Vizere. And Manikata and Mani Yamueno. Hey. Come.
Yes.
That means if we don't return, I thank you. Our head is
as a start of a cigarette.
Yes, the start.
Oh my goodness, it's a Friday.
It's a Friday.
Yes. Majango yana atia.
Uriyo na hakiri. Tutingire mondo we mothe ucoke ure heri muguku. Ni ndi mundu mugima. Na ndiathie tore maithinga. Twina mbeca 20,000. Neana.
Ndukuneana.
Neana ari uranjariria atia?
Sorry.
Eni.
Ndio mothe ndirenda thayo. Thayo. 20,000 Kenya shillings.
20,000 Kenya shillings.
Turatoma ku
riri.
We, andika riu ni hindi ndirakwira.
Ujira nyandike niguo hothe gwika.
Turatoma ku.
Na riu ona Samido na kuhindira ingiritio ndacirari kundu. Na matinariha.
Ndari araiho.
Uria no ararihire. Kuriha kuingira hara murango-ini. Joel Mose mari na Joel Mose. Riu Samido makiona ri handu hakuri kwari hagio 1,000. Handu hakuri hari. Eke Joel ari hari we. Akewa Samido. Akimuthinikira ng'ong'o. Oro ngiiga mbairi. Ihe.
Nobonoi.
Ndinakora itikuraria mai.
Ne oranjerire.
Ndia kwendire. Makirikia kigeranio guo. Makirikia kigeranio guo ri.
Orire marikia kigeranio ri.
Ema moko. Maroyo. Kwaririo kwa ne makoretwo magitarwo. Kwaririo gwika atia. Kuratuika atiriri. Uhoro wa guthie niguo cikarue ri. Ndigo guthie otuko. Ndihenda gotuku.
Na we ni uroririo wita chairman.
Rĩu akoratuĩka atĩ rũĩ rũtingĩthio atĩ mũthenya. Rũĩ marauga gũthio tuku. Niĩ ngĩkinya ũguo rĩ nĩ gwĩbanga.
Ona we mũthie.
Athuri tũragĩthia nao. Gũcitwara. Nayo kĩra kĩndũ twakoma. Twakĩra kĩndũ thaa 5. No rĩu kĩũndũire rĩ. Ũrĩa rĩ mũruithia. Rĩu tũhũrĩte gĩthaka tũthiĩte ũguo rĩ. Nĩagĩrĩirwo gũka. Akamakia otugithiaga akamakia gacoka githaka-ini
ana rigwa George wawe rwagitikia
cikoneka kana cina urume kana cina urume tondu riu kingituika nikio rari ucio ndagirirwo tondu neoneka ndari no urume riu tuthiite oguo ri riu haria giconoko kirokiire ri
muramakio
riu tuthie tu reke tutha mugwanja turite uguo nicio citutongoretie twamatwara ku twamatwara kuria he mundu umwe uria wi mbere ucio wi mbere
muthuri
athiete uguo ri mbere ni mwanake uguo ni mwanake uguo no rume nena ndotono niguo aituika he kindu kingi kwa kiururi ni akota kuhituka nakio muruithia ri oha hituka githaka-ini giki hara ngure baithi kiria nduthi yahatite ri he gathaka kanyitaru muno muruithia arokire gambite arahutithia ruhiu thi athuri othe turanyitagirwo riri
nowe ngai we watoranĩirie njamba cia ita tulia mumbi.
We post similar videos just like the one you have just watched every week. Consider subscribing to never miss out.